As a TV host, Tito Boy, I just wanna ask your opinion po regarding this. Siyempre ngayon, ang daming mga issue sa showbiz and isa po dyan, yung mainit na issue kina Miss Corina Sanchez and Julius
Kailangan ng
Baba.
mahabang pag-uusap. Kailangan ng mahabang pag-uusap. Ang masasabi ko ngayon ay the conversation has to continue. Wala akong masyadong detalye na alam. Ang alam ko lamang yung nababasa natin. And to be able to give a conclusive opinion might not be fair. Pero ang comment ko lamang ay patuloy na pag-usapan para malaman natin kung ano ang tama, sino ang mali, may pinanggagalingan ba, saan ang galing halimbawa, kasi hindi ko nababasa pa yung post ni Mayor Vico, for example. I don't know the context, and it would be unfair for me to comment on it. Kina Julius and Corina, who are both very good friends of mine. As a matter of fact, there was a time I used to represent Julius. I can vouch for their integrity. I can vouch for who they are as professionals. Pero pag pinagsaman mo ang balitang ito, kailangan malaman ko yung konteksto, malaman ko yung kabuuan ng kwento. Because I would not be fair if I comment on ito. It's not a black and white thing. It's nuanced eh. Napaka-nuanced nung usaping ito. Oo. Kaya medyo nandun ako sa ituloy lang ang pag-uusap muna.